Hello everyone! Dan Hurd with Dan Hurd Prospecting, and Evan with Evan's Adventures. Is that what you call it?
Exploring with Evan.
Exploring with Evan. We're here today to do some metal detecting. Now, I don't typically do metal detecting on my channel, but I just got myself a new gold bug too, so that I can try to find some gold in the quartz seams at the blue chip mine, and I have to learn how to use it. And Evan would like to learn how to metal detect as well. So Evan's going to use my old metal detector, I'm going to learn how to use the gold bug too, and today we're going to look around the park here and see if we can find some coins or jewelry or garbage, see what people have dropped and that we can find. Sound like a good plan?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go do it. So Evan here is going to be using the AT Gold, the Garrett AT Gold metal detector, which is a great detector for doing parks and looking for coins and stuff. I am going to be using the Fisher Gold Bug 2, which is really designed for finding gold nuggets. It is not a coin or relic detector. It doesn't really have the discrimination needed for this. So I'm going to be finding lots of garbage today, where Evan is going to be able to find lots of good stuff. But I need to learn how to use this guy, so we just came out today to do a bit of learning. Learning is good, right, Evan?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right there. She's on. Okay, now we are going to go into discrimination 1. So it's going to take out some of the garbage for you. So we're going to go into mode, discrimination 1, meaning that it's going to ignore a lot of the iron or garbage. And we're going to leave iron on. So hear that that noise? See how it goes That's garbage. You don't want to dig anything that goes like that. You want to only dig things that go beep, beep, beep. Now let's get something down there. Go over top of that. Okay, you got your digging tools? You got your digging partner?
Yeah. He doesn't have any tools at the moment.
You're going to go and dig the park over there because sand is easy. The beach down here because sand is easy.
I hear a beep here.
Yeah. Go dig those areas. And you have a classifier so you can sift things out and see what you find.
Okay.
Alright?
Yep.
Okay, go give it a shot and see what you find. And now I need someone to teach me. There's no one here to teach me. Yeah, once you find it, dig it. Don't just keep making noise. Are you filming? No. And I think that's ground balanced. It doesn't make a noise going up or down. So I think that's ground balanced. And now, with the other detector, I would know if that was something important or not. With this one, it could be anything. Well, let's see what our first target comes up with. So my first target is in the plug. Oh, there it is. Haha! My first pull tab with the gold bug 2. Now let's put this plug back so it looks nice and looks like we were never here. Minus 1 pull tab. And there we are, a bottle cap, squished and crunched up. Make sure there's nothing else. Nothing else. Put the plug back in, make it look like we were never here. And we're good to go on. me up here. There it is, another bottle cap.
You didn't check it.
Nothing left. Hey boys, I found my first coin of the day. I don't know. It's old, ugly, rusty. Not rusty, but can't tell. Yeah. Whatever it is, really old. Oh, there goes the fingernail. I'll have to clean it up when we get home. Probably a penny. Oh, those are my bottle caps I found earlier.
Okay.
So a few million bottle caps later, these aren't all of them, I've put a lot of them away. I found my next coin. Dana wasn't here with the camera to watch me dig it, but looks like a quarter. It's a quarter. Nothing special, not a silver quarter or anything like that, but we got a quarter. At this rate, I'll have this metal detector paid off in a few thousand years. Woohoo! There it is. Look at that. Another coin. Penny. Two coins in one hole. Okay, Mom is gone and she took the good camera with her, so I only have my cell phone here. But Evan may have found our best find of the day so far. He has been digging this signal and he has come up. Oh, come on. Let me get down. Oh, lay down in the grass in the goose poop. He has found what looks to be a necklace coming through. And oh my goodness, from this distance, it looks gold. It looks gold. Evan, you want to just grab a little bit of it with your fingers there and pull it out? Don't rip it out because it might be still attached. Cool. Okay, so now it's definitely looking goldish, isn't it?
There's a piece of wood in its way
Oh
here.
yeah, look at that underneath it.
There's most
Oh, and it's got a pendant on it.
Ooh, so here.
And that looks like a gold pendant. Evan Michael Hurd. This is amazing.
Yes.
I sure hope this camera's picking it up nicely. Our first piece of gold found with the metal detector.
Ooh, what's
Well,
that?
is this our first gold jewelry?
I would say so.
I think this is our first piece of gold jewelry.
This is my first find, really.
Okay,
that's
now it's still stuck underneath that grass. We don't want to rip it out because it could actually it could break the jewelry. So we want to dig up this grass. Here, use my tool. Did I leave my tool over there? I did.
I'm rubbing it slowly where it
Okay,
is.
rub it slowly. Yeah, we don't want to rip the necklace out.
Oh, it's in there.
It's in there.
Okay. There's more of it. I think we've got most of it out. All right.
Oh, careful. No, don't put your big shovel in there. You could wreck it. Gentle, gentle, gentle. Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. Oh, it's underneath a root or something.
I saw a larva down there or something.
A larva?
Looked like a maggot.
Okay, so it's underneath a root over here. It's been here for a while, long enough for a root to grow around it. Did I break the root? I did. Okay, you pull it out of there now. Oh, let me get off my stomach. Sit back.
I'm gonna clear it off. Clean it off. And that feels really heavy. That feels...
It might be gold. It might be pure gold. It might be gold plated. It might be pure gold. Nice work, Evan. Right there. Here, let me stand back and show you where we found it. Oh, oops. And unfortunately, we didn't have the good camera here to take that shot. Just my cell phone. Oh, there they're back. Come and have a look at what Evan found. It was kind of stuck in amongst roots and stuff.
Nicely done.
You want to go take the good camera and see if you get a really good shot of that? Like a little video clip and maybe a shot of it? Why don't you go with Mom, Ev? It's your find.
Let me get my...
A little grad 86 necklace.
An 80s.
Certainly older than Evan.
So Evan finds Evan finds a piece of gold jewelry, and I immediately followed up with a coin. With a dime. Well, it's better than another bottle cap. Well, I found 37 cents. What'd you find?
I don't know how much. I found 0 cents and a necklace.
And gold! You found gold. Gold jewelry. Did you have fun?
Yeah,
Yeah, I had a lot of fun too. And I learned how to use my machine. Did you learn how to use your machine?
sort of.
Sort of. Cool. Well, we have to run. We've got to get back home here. We can't spend all day, unfortunately. So we'll have to sign off here. Thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to leave a like, a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks to my patrons out there for supporting me in my videos. You have anything to say, Evan?
It was really fun, and I want to do another come back here again sometime.
You want to come back here again sometime? You had a lot of fun?
Yeah.
Perfect. We'll take a video of that too. So until the next one, everyone. Bye.